Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be tackling a little fix while we're away in the caravan, and it's to do with this window here. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I mean. So a couple of weeks ago I noticed that this window here was condensating. I couldn't figure out how it was actually coming in or any water was getting in, but I also noticed when we had the heavy rain that the actual panel was filling up with water in between the two panels of glass, if you will. There's about 2 inches of water in it at the moment, which is very disturbing. So I took a closer look at it and I discovered that there was 2 cracks, one on the outside acrylic panel and one on the inside, but luckily the inside one hadn't gone all the way through. I've contacted my dealer and there's currently a warranty claim going in, but in the meantime I'm still stuck with a window that's letting in water. So we're going to do a little fix and I'll also show you what the problem is and where it is. So to fix it, the only tool we need really is super glue. Now this one in particular has got a brush on it, which is handy because you can get into fine detail with it. So let's bob outside and I'll show you a bit more about what the issue is. Okay, as you can see there, I'm going to shake the window, you can see all that water in there. So that's what actually was inside the window. Well, it's been for a few weeks now, unbeknownst to me. So let's do the fix. Okay, so we're on the front of the caravan now, and as you can see here where my finger is, there's quite a deep crack. Now this runs all the way along and underneath the hinge there. So we're going to be cleaning this out. We're going to do a dry clean. We're not going to use any liquids. We're going to do a dry clean on it and we're going to fill that with super glue. Okay, so using some clean tissue or kitchen towel, we're going to dry clean the actual crack area, so get as much dirt out of it as possible. And then we're going to paint on the super glue. Okay, so we've got our super glue on now, we just need to let that set. So we'll come back in a few minutes and we'll wait for that to harden. Okay, we've now allowed the super glue to go off on the outside, so we're going to do the inside crack now. Okay, now we've done that, what we need to do is leave this open for quite a long period of time to allow that super glue to go off, because you don't want it sticking to the rubbers and ruining those. So we'll leave it for quite a while now and we'll come back in a bit. So that was my little fix for the window of our caravan. But before I go, I must say I will be reporting back on the progress of the replacement for this one. So stay tuned. In fact, if you want to keep up to date with us, why not hit the bell button when you subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.